Hey guys, welcome back to Kenneth Chu TV. This is a place for entrepreneurs to learn the tools, the tricks, the strategies about entrepreneurship, about running a business. In this video, I'm going to share with you more about Jarvis. I've done an introduction, so you can check previous video over here. This is an introduction to Jarvis and what are the things that's in Jarvis. So today, I'm going to share with you what are the various plans that you can start off with Jarvis, and at the same time how you can embark it, because there's a 7-day money back guarantee which I'm going to share with you in a moment. So check it out now. So hi, I'm Kenneth Chu. I'm the author of Mother Industries and also the CEO and founder of KC Creative Marketing, where we are a digital marketing consultancy. So in the past 14 years, I've been in the trade of advertising, media, sales, and marketing. I believe that after working with hundreds and thousands of entrepreneurs from all over the world, I believe that I will be able to help you in your journey. So this is Jarvis. So Jarvis is an AI copywriting assistant. It's a tool for entrepreneurs, marketers, and agencies to use it to help them to write much faster, and it's an easy way to write great copy fast. All right. So what are the 3 things that can help you is, number 1, end your writer block forever. Number 2, publish more content faster. Number 3, boost sales with better copy. All right, because all of us know that now in the digital space, online marketing, digital marketing, you need a lot of copy, you need a lot of content, and that is where copywriting is very, very important, because the word you use will help you, will change everything. All right, so this is the plan. These are the 3 plans, and for Jarvis, they have the starter plan, which is starting at $29 USD per month. Of 20,000 words. For me personally, I start off with this starter plan because I just want to give it a shot. And there are over 50 plus short form copywriting templates. Anything that you can find on the digital marketing space, you can find it, be it email, be it Instagram posts, be it LinkedIn, all of that is all in the template, or even blog posts. All right, so for this, it includes unlimited users, meaning that you can share this with your virtual assistant if you have, or your teammates that is generating content, or your writer. And then you can create 5 project folders, meaning that you can organize your work. For me, I have different entity, so I organize it into my my personal brand, which is Kenneth Chu, and then I also organize it to my digital marketing, which is KC Creative Marketing, another project. And third will be my book about mompreneurs, about mother industrialists, anything about motherhood and business is all in this project. And then I have another one, which is my Women Change Makers, which is to empower women, which is another project. So why do I have so much project? I will share with you guys in my next video the importance of having different projects, meaning different profiles, because Jarvis learned from different profiles, and I will share more with you in my future videos. All right, so next will be the Pro Plan. Pro Plan, one thing I like about it is it's only $100 over, and it's unlimited word, meaning that you can generate unlimited words with Jarvis, with AI, and you can unlock it to write long form example posts, video script, and books. And it comes with a 7-day money back guarantee. If you happen to change your mind using Jarvis or conversion.ai, in your first week, they will refund you 100%. This is something that gives you assurance. If not, if you want to start off with, I would advise that you start off with the starter plan first, so that you get use of it, you utilize the template, the 50 over templates that is in Jarvis. All right. Then for this, there's workspace document, meaning that you can, it's a bit like your Google documents, Microsoft documents, that you can create documents accordingly, and you'll be able to save the title, and you can go back to Jarvis anytime to retrieve it. But for Pro plan, you can only have one user, meaning that if I'm the one that's using, I have to share my team members, or I have to increase another team members with $40 USD. And with USD $109, personally, I used to have a virtual assistant that is focused on writing, and I have to pay her 2 weeks about 100 USD minimum, and for a month it's about 200 USD. And I would say the words that she generated, it could be around 20,000 words. All right, but if it's unlimited words, Jarvis just nail it. All right, so there's a lot of unlimited project folders. You still have the templates of 50 over templates, and it can support 25 and more languages. The chat support, the AI community. I would say the AI community is really, really awesome. Currently now, within a year since the launch of Jarvis, they have 30,000 members in their Facebook community. So it's really, really awesome. Everybody is just sharing and just posting their success using Jarvis. And this is their latest features, which is the boss mode, and this is the mode I'm in. Why? Because Jarvis will be able to write 2 times faster, all right, which I will share in my future video about how fast Jarvis is writing as of now. All right, and you can direct using Jarvis command, and Jarvis command is amazing. And imagine that you can use Jarvis command by using your voice detection. And this is something that is amazing, and I will share with you in my future videos. And it also comes with the 7-day money back guarantee. And then for boss mode, Jarvis can read up to read more than 2,000 to 3,000 characters, whereas in Pro plan, you can Jarvis can only read up to 600 words, which is over here is 2 to 3 times more. And you can do unlimited runs. So you have to write a bit of direction. So Jarvis can keep on running and writing at the same time. All right. So you have all the various things that you have in Pro plan. All right. So for boss mode, it's only USD $119 per month. Like I mentioned to you that when I engage my virtual assistant, it's about 200 USD per month, and it does not generate as much as what Jarvis is generating in terms of content and in terms of the speed. All right. So like I mentioned to you, there's a 7-day money back guarantee for Jarvis. So I would advise that if you want to give it a shot, just go for the starter plan first, which is here, the starter plan, which is $29 USD. It just beat my virtual assistant that I've hired in the past with 200 USD. And I don't think she can generate up to 20,000 words per month. All right. Even she can generate, the ROI for this is a no-brainer. All right. So coming back to the money back guarantee, is in any point of time, right, that you feel that you're unsure, you feel that it's not suitable, you don't like it, you can just email to them, to Jarvis team, and they will refund you immediately within the 7 days since you sign up. All right. Okay, so there's a Q&A as usual. So these are the various testimonials and reviews about Jarvis. You can give it a shot and read from the website. All right, so that's a lot. Even in the Facebook community, you'll be able to see a lot of comments, a lot of reviews. Okay, so what you can do with Jarvis is you can save hours every week writing long form content with Jarvis. So I hope that you have a better picture of what Jarvis is and how Jarvis can help you to save time, save money, and how affordable is Jarvis. And the next video, I will be sharing with you the dashboard of what exactly does Jarvis look like in the back end, and how you're going to use it, how different templates, you can use the different templates to craft out different content, from email to Instagram to engaging questions to blog posts, and a lot of stuff that you want to do. Even doing this video, you can also generate a video script for this. So I hope that you guys enjoy what I've shared. So if you like what I've shared, all you need to do is just to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos would you like me to do. If you're an entrepreneur or you're aspiring entrepreneurs, what are the various tips and tricks and strategy or tools that you can use to help you in your entrepreneurship journey. So I'm Kenneth Chu here, and I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I see you guys in my next video. See you